right, picked up the twin turbo trains by TYCO from a toy show, hobby show, whatever, for a few bones. We're gonna see if this thing works. These are the little trains, and they look to be all right. I'm trying to get it to focus there. It's not working very well. Anyways, I'm gonna go digging around in there and in there. At the place where I bought the place, it looked like there was still some hairs and maybe carpet fuzz in there from 1989. But we're gonna give them a go and clean up the contacts and stuff. So here's our one train. Here's our two trains. All wrapped up in there. Probably make one of these two little cars go a different speed than the other. Oh wow, there's a bunch of goo in that one. And, or not goo, but just stuff. So we're gonna try to clean all that out of there. Wonder how old this hair is. Like, woo! It's pretty tough hair. Makes me wonder if it's like a collie from there. So this hair is really wound up in there, so I'm actually backing the tire out and like unraveling the hair. So that probably would have an effect. Oh my goodness, look at it all coiled up. That is some 80s nostalgia right there. Oh, it snapped off there. I can get it back up here. There it goes.
That's gross.
It is kind of gross. Yeah. All right, we got most of the hairs out of there. The axle hair. So we have the factory instructions, and there's a train box, and
Yeah, I started this over for you.
cool. So let's see if all these pieces do. This really kind of reassuring is you can see that's the box. That's like the tunnel underneath there that folds into that thing. So that's cool. I hope that that's correct. I mean, I hope that means that most of the parts are here. We'll see. I didn't have time to count them at the place. So here we go. Progress so far. Not bad for a start.
Good. Pretty good.
Is it pretty good? You got the railings down?
Yep, it's awesome.
So we think we got it all set up here.
Except for this.
We gotta get an extension cord and plug it in. So we're only worried about really, I'm short one bridge for the extra long span there.
Yeah, we need one more.
And my curve count ended up 4 and 2. So outside, 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 inside, inside. And the other one's outside, well, outside, outside, inside. And then, you know, you get it. So that's going to be kind of skewed a little bit, but whatever. I mean, they got to slow down anyways. I don't think that it's going to make a huge difference.
Hello.
So,
Can you hear me? And then this.
go. Oh, come on, gotta keep momentum. Oh, you gotta get some speed for that, I guess. Alright, hold on. Alright, see if you can get around the track or not. Little jump there. It seems like they peel out a little bit. And they either they don't have enough torque to make it around the loop, or
Fix mine.
they have too much torque or user error here. And our
Oh. Try now.
So yeah, the loop seems to be an issue from maybe old worn motors. So we're gonna, we might take the loop out. Because it's kind of hard to floor it, not floor it. I mean, that's part, I guess that's part of the whole thing though, right? Wasn't that how we did it back then? That was the trick. But, yeah, anyhow. Oh, we really got, oh, I think we moved the tablecloth in the middle of the loop. So, yeah, that probably.
I didn't touch it.
Alright, no. So the loop is being a pain in the butt. I think we're going to try to put more straightaway somehow. I don't know how to do it yet. In front of the loop. Nice, dude.
What?
Of course, you got to slow down right after. You want to try it again?
Yep.
Alright, see what you can do it. Oh, yeah, there. So, you can't just pull the trigger all the way. You kind of gotta.
No.
Be chill on it.
Like that way?
That's the wrong way. Wrong direction. Wrong track. I think the crisscross there. So, we have the loop figured out. If we floor it, we can make the loop. But the control factor surrounding the loop. Alright, final product. So, we widened it out, shortened it. A little more room for the speed up to the loop. Yeah, it's a pretty big track. That's a pretty good sized table there. Happy that whoever had this before us added that one piece there. Have to admit, it makes me wonder if they did the same thing that I did. Anyways, we're gonna see if we can get it to clear some loops here. Alright, so here we have the black one. Final. See if we can do it. We can do it. Thank you. Alright, see if we can make the red one make it. Okay, so the black one worked well on this track, so let's see if we can make the red one make it. Alrighty, so considering that the long ones weren't both making it all the way around, taking out one car, which is kind of cool. It's almost kind of like a jet car sorts. So yeah, all in all, it's pretty awesome for a couple of 20s at a toy show. We found that 3 car trains and old tired motors don't really work so well consistently, but we got down to 2 here. And seem to be all right. This track layout seemed to work pretty good too. And that's that. 1989 TYCO twin turbo train. Rebuilt in 2018. Was that 29 years? 29 years.
What about we take one out and leave it out, and then
Let's see if we can, I want to see if I can make it.
and then yeah, I learned how to do the resin. Did you fix them? Sorry.
It's okay. Alright, erase. Nice and steady.
No race. I'm bad at racing.
No?
Yeah.
Let's just see if we can go steady for like 5 laps. Good job.
That was 2 laps for me, and then that was 3 laps for me. 3 laps for me.
No!
3 laps for me.
I crashed.
I didn't. 4 laps for me. 5 laps for me. I won. 4 laps. 5 laps. 5 laps.
It goes backwards.